Physical attraction gets her attention. Emotional attraction keeps it. If you've ever had a girl say things like, "You're great, but I don't feel that connection," or "I just see you more like a friend," then this episode is going to hit hard. Because emotional attraction is what makes a woman want you, and only you. It's the difference between being a nice guy and being her person. And the craziest part? Most guys never learn how to create it. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through what emotional attraction actually is. It's not crying on her shoulder. Why most guys block it without realizing it. How to build it without being over-emotional or fake. And how one conversation made me feel more connected to a man than months of flirting ever did. If you want to be the guy she stays up thinking about, not just the one she swipes on, you're gonna want to take notes. I once went on a date with a guy I wasn't totally sold on at first. Let's call him Sam. He was cute, funny, normal, just not someone I felt butterflies over. Until we were walking back from dinner and he asked me, "What do you feel most misunderstood about?" I wasn't expecting that. We sat on a bench and ended up talking for almost 2 hours about family, fears, why we get anxious before sleep. It wasn't heavy, it was just real. And something in me clicked. I felt seen. I felt seen. And from that point on, I couldn't stop thinking about him. Not because he tried to impress me, but because he created space for emotional presence. That's emotional attraction. Psychology insight number 1. Emotional mirroring and shared depth. We fall for people who reflect us back to ourselves in ways we haven't seen before. In psychology, this is called emotional mirroring, when someone feels what we feel and responds to us with shared depth. That moment of, "Oh my God, you get it too," is what builds attachment. Women aren't just looking for someone to admire. We're looking for someone who feels like home in the chaos. So when you can share a story that's real, ask questions that go deeper, and hold space when she opens up, that's how emotional connection begins. Psychology insight number 2, the vulnerability paradox. Here's a big one most guys get wrong. Vulnerability does not equal weakness. In fact, when it's grounded, it builds immense trust and attraction. It's called the vulnerability paradox. The more open you are in the right way, the more strong and safe you appear. Because only secure men can say things like, "I've been through this and it shaped how I see relationships." Or, "Sometimes I push people away when I feel disconnected, working on that." You don't need to trauma dump. You need to own your story. That's what makes you real and makes her lean in. Real versus fake emotional connection. Examples. Fake depth. "Yeah, I'm super deep. I don't really like surface level stuff. But every convo is surface level. I'm just different from other guys," without actually being different. Talking about emotions as a performance is ick. Real connection. Growing up, I moved around a lot, so sometimes I take a while to fully open up. But when I do, I'm all in. Feels honest, centered, secure. Doesn't ask for validation, just shares. That's the stuff we remember. How to trigger emotional attraction step by step. Ask better questions. Skip "what do you do?" Try "what's a small thing that always brings you peace?" What's a part of yourself most people don't notice right away? What's something you've changed your mind about in the past year? Let her drop the mask. That's where connection lives. Tell micro stories. Instead of vague, "I like movies," say, "I rewatched Interstellar last night, cried again during that scene with his daughter. Don't judge." Specificity creates emotion. Emotion creates memory. Don't fill the silence. Most guys rush to keep the conversation going. But silence creates space. It lets her thoughts deepen. It shows you're comfortable. Trust the quiet moments. They build tension, the good kind. Show without needing praise. Share what you care about without turning it into a resume. I've been sketching lately. Helps me clear my mind. Not, I'm actually really good at drawing. I've won stuff before. Let her find you impressive. Don't force it. Stay emotionally regulated. If she shares something vulnerable, don't immediately fix it or joke it away. Just say, "That's real. Thanks for sharing that." Being a calm presence in emotional moments, that's magnetic. When emotional attraction is real, it feels like this. Like she can breathe around you. Like conversations feel safe, but also alive. Like you're a space where she can be more herself, not less. And when a woman feels that, she doesn't friend zone you. She doesn't lose interest. She starts planning how not to lose you. Psychology insight number 3, emotional contagion. Here's a final gem. Humans are wired for emotional contagion. We absorb the emotional state of people we're around. If you show up anxious, scattered, and performative, that energy leaks into the connection. But if you show up grounded, curious, and open, she feels that too. And emotional safety is the foundation of emotional attraction. What's one moment you felt emotionally connected to someone and what triggered it? Or a moment you realized it was missing? Share your story in the comments. This is where the real conversation starts. Coming up next, how to keep her interested without playing games. You've made the connection. Now let's talk about how to keep the spark alive in a way that's real, sustainable, and deeply attractive.